We're in an unknown location. We don't know where we are, and we're trying to find a Chinese restaurant, right?
Duck. Trying to find duck. Trying to find some pickin duck.
Pickin duck. That's
or
Chino
roast
right
duck
there.
noodle soup. Chino's back in the building.
Yeah. And that's our taxi driver right there.
WhatTV.com. YouTube that shit.
Yeah. So we don't know where the hell we are. We're in like Flushing, I think.
Shit. We still good. I see chow somewhere right here. I smell food. So I'm telling you. Look at that. Restaurants.
What? What's wrong with that? Oh.
Trying to look for ducks in the window. Ducks in the window.
I don't like ducks.
We don't care. They eat whatever we got. They got chicken there. Hey, this fucking best hardware. What the fuck with the best duck at? Oh, I see food out there.
Where?
Oh yeah. There's some right there. Gourmet noodles, some delicacies. That's like bananas and shit.
Oh my god.
Afghan. Oh, we're in the Arabic area now? Oh, hell no.
Western beef?
What the fuck?
Where the hell are we?
Where all the Chinese people at, man? Oh, well, I think we're out of it now.
Well, we go to Pancake House right there.
Go this way. There ain't no duck in it. Nah, let's go ahead and some more. Damn, man. I'm smoking. I need more Chinese friends, yo.
Oh, he's gonna go crazy.
I don't know nothing. I don't see shit. Well, you know, Snipe, you see this? I don't know what niggas doing, yo. I know what you're whipping all bit. My fault, yo. I can't take it.
You see that?
Windows open. I need duck! Roasted duck. I thought I saw a noodle for a second. That's like wood flooring. Yo, what is up with the Chinese wood flooring motherfuckers in the street here?
Because that's how they make money. We should have just went to Chinatown.
These niggas build shit, they don't cook.
We should have just went to the city for Chinatown.
Nah, I ain't back to the city, man. Fuck that. You gotta turn around, son. I do too. Turn around, nigga. Make a left, right up there somewhere. God damn. Where my Chinese people at?
We don't know nothing. We had nothing to do with this.
God bless America. You don't say God bless China. Oh, goddamn.
We're
Going
watermelon.
back to the... So you said, This is the whole Flushing Chinatown. I don't see a goddamn shit like hardware stores. Hmm? Fine ass. They come here every fucking week. I think we're in the food section. Yeah.
Why'd you take that turn?
Call no, nigga.
Who are we gonna call? Oh my god. Crazy.
Where we going now, son? Back around?
Yeah. Should I call your friend?